Hey Crosstrek fans, want to keep your seats looking fresh while adding some serious style and comfort? Today, we're counting down the best seat covers for your Subaru Crosstrek. Whether you need all-weather protection, a sleek leather look, or the ultimate cozy feel, we've got you covered, literally. So buckle up, and let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have the Cover Empire leather seat covers, a stylish and practical upgrade for your Subaru Crosstrek. Designed to fit most vehicles, these full-coverage seat covers are made from high-quality faux leather, offering a sleek look and a soft, comfortable feel for daily driving. Not only do they enhance your car's interior, but they also provide excellent protection against spills, stains, dirt, and scratches, keeping your seats in top shape. The waterproof material makes cleaning a breeze. Just wipe with a damp cloth, and you're good to go. Plus, the front seat covers come with built-in lumbar support, ensuring a more relaxed ride on long drives. Installation is hassle-free and requires no tools, making it easy for anyone to transform their car's interior with a snug, secure fit. If you're looking for seat covers that blend durability, comfort, and style, the Cover Empire leather seat covers are a fantastic choice. At number 4, we have the giant PANDA front seat covers, a perfect blend of style, protection, and affordability for your Subaru Crosstrek. Featuring a sleek sports pattern design, these covers provide full protection for your original seats, shielding them from wear, stains, and pet hair while giving your interior a fresh, upgraded look. The back is made from stretchable polyester fiber, ensuring a snug fit, while the leather bucket seat protector adds durability. One of the standout features is how well these covers stay in place. Even when you're constantly getting in and out of the car, they won't shift or bunch up. Installation is quick and effortless, requiring no tools, so you can transform your car's look in minutes. Plus, they're easy to clean, making maintenance a breeze. With top-notch quality at a budget-friendly price, the giant PANDA front seat covers offer excellent value for anyone looking to enhance their ride. But we're just getting started. Number 3 is coming up next. Coming in at number 3, the Vankerful leather seat covers bring a perfect combination of durability, comfort, and style to your Subaru Crosstrek. Made from high-quality faux leather, these seat covers are incredibly soft yet strong, offering waterproof and scratch-resistant protection against spills, stains, and everyday wear. Unlike some covers that interfere with safety features, these are designed to ensure that airbags deploy properly in an emergency, giving you peace of mind. The material quality is top-notch, providing a sleek and stylish upgrade to your car's interior while maintaining a comfortable ride. Installation is a breeze, with a universal fit that hugs your seats perfectly, making them look like a factory upgrade. Easy to clean and built to last, these seat covers are a smart investment for anyone looking to enhance both the look and feel of their vehicle. Stick around. Our top 2 picks are coming up next. At number 2, the Aierxuan leather seat covers deliver a premium look and feel while offering top-notch protection for your Subaru Crosstrek. Crafted from high-quality faux leather, these covers are soft, durable, waterproof, and scratch-resistant, ensuring your seats stay in pristine condition. One standout feature is the upgraded detachable seat pillow cover and nearly hidden side straps, giving it a seamless and custom-fit appearance. The stitching is precise, the material is sturdy, and the overall design is both stylish and functional. Cleaning is effortless. Just wipe with a wet towel, and you're good to go. These covers not only fit exceptionally well but also add a touch of luxury with a new car's smell right out of the box. Easy to install and built for long-term comfort, they offer outstanding value for the price. If you want seat covers that look and feel like they came straight from the factory, the Aierxuan leather seat covers are a fantastic choice. But we're not done yet. Our number 1 pick is coming up next. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1, the Coverado leather seat covers, a perfect blend of luxury, comfort, and protection for your Subaru Crosstrek. Designed with precision 3D modeling, these seat covers fit like a glove while adding a sleek, high-end look to your interior. Crafted from premium Napa leather, they not only feel incredibly soft to the touch but also provide top-tier durability, resisting fading, spills, stains, pet hair, and even harmful UV rays. Unlike standard covers, these are breathable, waterproof, and built to last for years, keeping your seats in pristine condition. Easy to install and designed to stay firmly in place, they instantly elevate your car's interior, so much so that they look like original leather seats straight from the factory. If you're looking for an economical yet stylish upgrade that makes your Crosstrek feel brand new, the Coverado leather seat covers are the ultimate choice. That wraps up our list. Let us know in the comments which seat covers you're going for.